and goes to this mode. When you check the melting and just going to the first mode and just press enter on desirable mode, and there is a number of samples going on. When you press 1 2 3, how many samples you are going to check or recalibrate for your instrument, just you press up or down key, and you set your sample how many standards you are. If you have 2 samples, then you press enter, and those sample is known or unknown. When your sample is unknown, you don't know what your melting points on your sample, just go to the unknown mode and press enter. If you know this melting point range, just to go down inside it like that and put the melting point of your samples. If you don't know how what is the melting point of your samples, just going to the sample test mode, going to the melting point, how many samples you are just putting on this display, and unknown mode is going on, and there is some mode is also indication on it. Rapid mode is a high temperature melting point range. Normal mode is around 100 to 150, and slow mode under 100 melting point sample is you have not, then you just go to your sample mode. Now you go to the normal mode. Our melting point sample is 157 for salicylic acid, therefore we going to the normal mode, and we checked the our sample is going 156 to 162 degree or not. If our sample is going to melt on some melting point range, then your instrument is ready to work. When your sample is coming your melting point, just to press stop 1. There is a 131 point something for our first sample, and when we check our sample is going to another sample, our another sample is going to melt now, just to press stop 2 button. And when your all sample is going to melt, their beep sound is coming, and he also says what your test is going to done. Therefore just we press enter and put the batch number. There is 1000 memory logs is also given, therefore we just put the number of location of our sample, and 2 test is also going on, therefore we just put 3 and just PRG button.